Good morning. Welcome to Be the Lorax 1, Activity List 1. You are starting this February 26th. It is due Thursday, March 7th. Remember to read to self and practice your power goal. You are reading an informational text. Write your title here. Tell me about a text feature in your book. Write the text feature here. And how did it help you? Write how it helped you here. Informative writing. This is a choice for 15 minutes. It is learning. Read an informational book on bookshelf on your level to learn about a topic. Write the title of the informational book here. This is to be done independently. The next activity is a choice, 20 minutes, practice. After reading an informational book on bookshelf, create an informational 4-square plan telling about the topic. The next activity is required for 10 minutes. It is also learning. Scan the QR code and listen to contractions. This is to be done independently or with a pair. The next activity is required for 15 minutes. It is practice. Complete the contractions worksheet in the resource area. This can be done independent or as a pair. Reading comprehension. It is required for 20 minutes. It is practice. Read Aunt Carol's Compost. Then answer the questions in the resource area. This can be done as a pair. The next is listen to reading. This is required for 15 minutes. It is practice. Listen to a story on Raz Kids on your level. What is the title? Write the title here. Take the quiz and write down your score. Write your score here. The next section is foundational skills. We're working on different sounds for consonants. T says T, C, H. This is required for 20 minutes. It is practice. Blue readers. Play the T says TCH game with a white reader. Red readers. T says TCH. Read, highlight, and write 3 sentences. White readers. Play the T says TCH game with a blue reader and read Miguel's Adventure and highlight all the T says TCH words. This can be done independent unless you have been asked to do it with a white reader. The next is required 5 minutes. It is practice. Scan the QR code to review tricky words on your level. This is to be done independently. The next section is social studies. It is required 15 minutes. It is learning. Brain Pop Junior video, Jackie Robinson. Under social studies, biographies, Jackie Robinson. Required for 10 minutes, practice. Then complete the Jackie Robinson quiz in the resource area. Optional 10 minutes, create your own Jackie Robinson baseball card in the resource area. We are working on a garden plan for our authentic learning unit. The first activity is required for 15 minutes. It is learning. Read the how-to sheet in the resource area to help you construct a model of the garden. Optional 15 minutes. This is learning. Scan the QR code for multiplication and arrays to learn how multiplication can help you partition our garden. The next is the Gardener's Guide Soil. Required for 5 minutes, complete the title page of your Gardener's Guide. This should be the first thing we do on our activity list. This is to be done independently. The next, you have a choice. 20 minutes, it is learning. Read Science Fusion on page 54 to 57. Use a computer to complete the Science Fusion digital lesson. Unit 2, Lesson 2, How Do Soils Differ? It's on the CWTES website under Students, 2nd grade, Unit 2, Lesson 1. The second teal box. The next section is required for 10 minutes. It is practice. After learning about the types of soil, complete "What is soil?" quiz from the resource area. Required 10 minutes, it is practice. Scan the QR code for the Parts of Soil Quizlet. Click on flashcards and then test. Ask an expert for spelling help if you need it. Write your score here. The next section is required for 15 minutes. It is part of your product. Complete the What are parts of soil page in your Gardener's Guide book. Required 15 minutes. Product. Add the 3 parts of soil into your Be the Lorax rubric. Gardener's Guide. Compost. You have a choice. Should take 20 minutes. It is learning. Read Get Composting or scan the QR code for Get Composting. Required 10 minutes. This is practice. After learning about composting, complete the Get Composting questions in the resource area. Required 15 minutes for practice. Complete the compost sort. Check your work using the answer key in the resource area. Have fun and work hard.